We'll disinfect the material with 70% ethanol. You can just pour it on a paper towel and then see it. You can just disinfect it and clean it like that. We mix the sample. Then we take a Vulcan tube, pre-labeled. Open it, it's sterilized from the company, and then we can just enter the sample, thoroughly mixed. This is 0 to 10 centimeters sample, and we fill a complete tube with the material. It's easier, completely filled like this. Take out the roots of some artifacts that you have completely filled sample, and then turn the cap on it. So when this is ready to go in the freezer at -20 degrees. Next sample. We have to take the 0 eDNA 2. This is the sample for the mesofauna analysis. And the insects, eDNA, same procedure, pre-labeled. Just fill it to have a complete sample. It's important that your gloves are sterilized, of course, and that you work as sterilized as possible. Second sample ready to go in the freezer. So now we can take the physical-chemical sample from the 0 to 10 centimeters. The bag, open the bag. Yeah. So I have now 580 grams, so I can add, I need about 500 grams. Okay, just a little bit more. That's for the physical-chemical analysis. Close the bag. And then finally we have the backup sample for eDNA, and we fill it with the remaining material. So that's full. Okay. Screw the cap on it, and then what is left can still go into the sack of the physical-chemical sample. Everything can go in there. Okay, and then we need to weigh everything. So person who takes the notes, 0 and 1. So this is 502 grams. And then we put in a specific sack eDNA 2 sample. eDNA 2. This is the 1, the 2. We have a double labeling, so there is a label on the tube and there's a label on the sack to be sure that it's double labeled. And we can weigh it together with the sack, 63.4 grams. The other one, this is eDNA 1. double labeled again. 64.5, and then the backup sample for if something goes wrong with shipping the samples, that's left at the institute as a backup. Also double labeled, and this has a weight of 58.7 grams. So I think this is all.
After taking the subsamples, we freeze them as soon as possible. We have a mobile freezer in the car that freezes at -18 or -20. We put the samples in and we place the cool packs on top. In case you don't have a mobile freezer in the car, you can use a cool box with cool elements.